Hello again. We're back to continue with the Christoph's Tea Room tutorial. So far we've got all the navigation in place. Searching by keywords, clicking on categories, and we've also started the checkout page. One thing I think we should add totals to this cart. Let's add another product here. Okay, so we want to be able to see the $165 total so that we know how much we have in the cart. So let's add that real quick. Open up BB Edit here. And let's find our correct include file, which I think is still in the, well, it's the checkout.dna file. And we're going to find where we're displaying things. And we'll take a quick look at the page here. Let's just add totals right after quantity. You notice that we have the price here, which is $15. Somebody adds two of them. We want to have the total be the $30 there. So on math, on the math context, the default is to show the results of what's inside the math context. But we can, so that would be the default. We can hide it, just for your reference. We do want to show this equation, the results of this equation, but just to show you that we can show or hide the results if that is what is wanted. But since the result is to, or since the default is to show the results, we don't need that parameter. Again, we can format the results. And we can add the $sign. And then we can also, let's grab this style here so that we can repeat the price style. I should probably make a global CSS style for price, but this will work for now. Since we added another table cell in this table row here, we have to do the same to each and every row in this table. So right here we'll add a header name, and this is the last one here. So let's save that and just check our results quickly here. Right, so since we have two items here, we get the total of $30 there. For price and total, I'm going to align those to match up with the the table cell information here. So try to use CSS alignment properties whenever possible. Okay, so right align to those, and we're going to add one more row just to show you here. We want to be able to, in the next table row, to have the total, the grand total of the, or the subtotal, I should say, of the entire cart. So it would be $180 would be the total of this cart. The order file context, or order file system in WebDNA has tags to accommodate that, and we're just going to, let's just copy this table row, and we're going to put a right align on this one as well. And we'll take this out, and let's do, since we're inside the order file context, there's the closing and there's the opening of the order file. We have access to all those predetermined variable names, reserved variable names, and so we don't have to do anything special. We just add in subtotal right there. Well, we can format it, or we can change the color as well. I think I will add to this style. I'll just grab this one right here and replace it so that we have a subtotal that is red as well. Let's reload here, and you see the 180 there. We can clarify that that's the subtotal by subtotal colon. Now let's take that out. Let's take the text subtotal out of the style, and we can do that by doing this here. Just add a span element here. All right. So that's good. We have the ability now to search and find products, add them to the cart, and to view the cart. I think for checkout, we're going to start that process directly on this cart page, and we'll do that by usually in a checkout process, you start with the shipping information. You enter that, you enter your billing information, you're given an invoice page or the summary page, and then on that page you can enter in your credit card information. There's various ways to go about a checkout online, but that's the basic steps. So we'll start with the shipping information, and we'll put that in right under the